Hi viewers, I am Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, D1 book, exercise 7D. Now my dear students, open your textbook. You see in question number 1, find the volume V. So we have to find the volume V, and you have been given that the value of pi is 3 whole 1 by 7, which is equal to 22 by 7. And second thing is the value of A is 43 and the value of H is 6. So as the formula is given to you, V is equal to 1 by 3 AH. So only you have to put the values and simplify it. The value of A is 43 and the value of H is 6. So by putting the values, simplify it, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So multiply this with this one, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So 86 is your solution. So you are going to find the volume. So as it is not given any unit, so if you have been given the H value in centimeters or millimeters, then you have to put here units. When there is no unit, so simple, here is your solution. Now coming to the question number 2. In question number 2, you have been asked that find the value of F. We have to find the value of F where C is equal to 30. Now the given equation is, as it is given to you, F is equal to 9C by 5 plus 32. Okay, we have to find the value of F. Simple, by putting the value of C here, C multiplied with 9, and it will give you 32. So my dear students, whenever you find such type of condition, you have to find the LCM. For example, here is your LCM 5, so 0 to 7, and here is 5. You have taken the LCM, so 5. 1 divided by 5, you will get 5, because here is the denominator equal to 1, so divide it. So you will get 5, 5 multiplied by this one, 5 2s are 10, 1 and 5 3s are 15 and 16. So you will get this. So add it, 160 plus this one 0, 6, 13, 1 carry, 3, and it will give you 4. So my dear students, you have seen here that the value of this is equal to, if you divide this, you will get, or you can simplify it, so it will be much better. Otherwise that will be your answer. I think that after simplification by division you will get 86. So here is your result. Now coming to the question number 3. In question number 3, by the same method, you have been asked that you have to find the value of S, that is your maybe the surface area, and R is being given to you 10 whole 1 by 2, which is equal to 10 to the 20, 21 by 2. So as the formula is given to you, S is equal to 4 pi R square. So putting the values here, the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of R is 21 by 2. So simplify it, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now 2 multiplied with this one, you will get 44, and here is 21. So multiply by the simple multiplication, so you will get the same result, that is you will get 924. So here is your result. Now coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. You have been asked that find the value of T where R and small r is given to you. The value of this small r is equal to 4, as the formula is T is equal to pi into r square minus small r square. So putting the values, we have already familiar that the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of r is given to you, that is 4 taken square, and again minus the value of small r is 3 and square. My dear students, here is a bracket. When we use small bracket, then you have to use the capital bracket to distinguish this term with this one. So that's why you can simplify it. That is 22 by 7, 4 4 is 16, 9, and you will get 22 by 7, you will get 16 minus 9, you will get 7. So 7 will be cancelled with this one. The value is t is equal to 22. So here is the result. Now coming to the question number 5. In question number 5, you have been asked that find the value of a if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7. So as the formula is a is equal to y square minus xz divided by 5. The value of z is given to you, that is 6. So my dear students, all values are given, only you have to put the values here. 7 square minus the value of x, and the value of x is 4, z is 6. Simplify it. 7 7s are 49, 6 4s are 24, 5. The value of 5, 9 minus 4, 5, 4, you will get 2, the sign of greater value. So, and when you divide this, you will get 5 5s are 25. Here the value of a is 5. Now coming to the question number 6. Question number 6. You have been asked that find x. Now you have to find the value of x, where the value of k is 12 and value of y is 4. So as the formula is given to you, that is x plus y by 3, you have to put the values. Very much simple case. The value of k is 12. So put the values of here. The value of k 12 and the value of x we have to find it. So write down as same. So plus y is given to you 4. So after putting the values using cross multiplication, you will get 12 multiplied by 3, x plus 4, x plus 4, you need the value of x, 36. Shift this constant term towards that one side, so you will get minus 4. So the value of x is 32. So by the simple method we have solved it. Now coming to the question number 7. Question number 7. Find a. Again, once again you have been asked, you have to find the value of a, where the value of t is given to you is equal to 1. The value of t is equal to 1. And the value of u is equal to 1 whole 2 by 3. And the value of v is 3 whole 1 by 2. You have to remove the whole number. 3 1s are 3 and 5 by 3. It will give you 7 by 2. So as the formula is t is equal to v minus u divided by a. So we have to find the value of a. Write down a as same. So the value of v is 7 by 2 minus the value of u is 5 by 3. So the value of t is 1. Using cross multiplication, there is your a, 7 by 2 minus 5 by 3, taking LCM, because you are well familiar how to solve these fraction equations. So here you will divide this by the denominator. You will get 3 multiplied with 7, 21 and 10. So by simplification you will get 11 by 6. Here is your result. Now coming to the question number 8. Question number 8. Find R. You have to find the R where the value of U is 16 whole 1 by 2 and the value of H is 2, as the given equation is U is equal to pi by R plus H. So my dear students, putting the values, the value of pi is 7 by 2, the values of R we have to find, so write it the same manner. The value of U is, which is equal to 16 to the 30, 33 by 2, so 33 by 2. So the value of H is 2. So by using cross multiplication we have to simplify it. For example, this one and this one multiply this one, you will get 22 multiplied by 2 R plus 2, and this 33 multiplied by 7. So 3 7s are 21, 22, 23, and 44 into R plus 2. So once again multiply this to remove the bracket. 44 R plus 88 and 231. Again, you know that constant term should be shifted at one side to 31 minus 88. So my dear students, you will get minus 8, so is equal to 44 R. You will get what? If you minus this 231 minus 88, you will get 143. So you need the value of R, so 143 divided by 44. If it is divisible completely, then it is okay. Otherwise, if in fraction form, you will get the result 3.25 will be the result. Otherwise, this result is also considered to be the right one. Now next, question number 9. Question number 9. You have been asked that find the value of S. You have to find the value of S where the value of V is given to you 20 and the value of U is 10 and the value of G is 10. So as the given equation is V square is equal to U square plus 2GS. So my dear students, putting the values here in a way, you will get the result. The value of U is 10 and the value of G is 10. Write clearly that you understand it. Now we have to find the value of S, write in a similar way. So 10 tens are 100 and 20 F and 2 twos are 400. So again, the constant term should be shifted at one side, so you will get 300 is equal to 20F. You have to find the value of F, so 300 divided by 20. So my dear students, after division you will get S is equal to 0 will be cancelled, 30 if you divide, so the value of is 15. Now question once again being asked that of Q, whereas the value of M is given to you 9 and the value of X is 2 and the value of N is equal to 1 whole 4 by 5, which is equal to 9 by 5. So as the equation or formula is given to you, that is X plus Q is equal to N. So putting the values here, N is 9 by 5, the value of M is 9, X is 2 plus Q we have to find, right this one. Very much simple method using cross multiplication to remove the fraction form. So we will get 9 multiplied by 5 and 9 multiplied by 2 plus Q using this bracket. 9 2s are 18 plus 9Q, so 45. Again you need the value of variable, so constant term should be shifted at one side, so you will get this one. So the remaining portion, so 45 minus 8, you will get 45 minus 18, you will get 27. So 27 is equal to 9Q, but you need the value of Q, So 27 divided by 9. So the value of k is 3. Because 9 3 is 27, so here is your result. Now coming to the question number 11. Question number 11. Find the value of n where y is equal to 3 and m is equal to 7, where n minus y is equal to 4y minus n divided by m. So the value is given to you 4 into 3 minus n, we have to find it. Then the value of m is 7, n is we have to find, and 3. Now using cross multiplication, 4 3s are 12 minus n. By using cross multiplication, 7 will be multiplied with this one, so you will get 12 minus n, 7 n minus 21. Again the same methodology, constant term should be shifted at one side and variable, so shift here, and this one shift will be here, so 12 plus 21. So you will get 8n and 3 and 3, because this will give you 3 and this will give you 33. So the value of n is 33 by 8. If you divide it completely, this will be the answer. If you divide completely, you will get in decimal form 4.125. so here is the result, or otherwise this result also considered to be the best one. If you divide this, another form of this equation, if you find in whole number your result in whole number, then you can also find. For example, if you find the whole number, and so okay, 33 divided by 8, so 8 4s are 32, you will get 2. So in whole number your answer is 4 whole 2 by 8, so it is your also answer. If you simplify it, another answer is also considered to be the right one, that is 1 by 4, because 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. This is the other methodology. So the answer is this one, 33 by 8 is also okay. If you convert into decimal form, divide it by calculator, you will get this one. If you don't want to get answer in this case, you have to find in whole number, so divide this 33 by 8, you will get the answer in whole number. Whole number can also be simplified like as 4 whole 1 by 4. So here is the solution, my dear students. Coming to the next part, question number 12. In this part you have been asked that you have to find the value of c. So you have to find the value of c, where a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 12, where c is equal to minus 1 by 6. So as the given equation is a by b plus e is equal to c by b. So the value of e is minus 1 by 6. Now it is clear. So this equation you have to put the values. The value of a is 4, the value of b is 12, plus the value of e is minus 1 by 6 is equal to c. We have to find the value, and like this. Now by simplifying, you will get minus 1 by 6 is right. And yes, we have to find the LCM of this. So 4 minus 2. So c by 12, you will get 2 by 12, and after simplification here you will get 6 2s are 12, c by 12, because 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12. It can also be simplified. So by using once again cross multiplication, you will get 6c is equal to 12, or the value of c is 12 by 6, or 6 2s are 12. So the value of c is 2. So my dear friends, we have completed this exercise, but few questions, for example question number 13 14 also given to you, but it's having a steric notation upon these questions. These questions are not very much necessarily to be solved, but if a required being seen by you, then you can subscribe me. I can also solve the remaining parts for your clearance. Thank you for watching, and I hope that lecture will be very much beneficial to you.